Yo, what's up, YouTube? Back in here with another live trading video. It's April 21st, Tuesday, 2026. Finna get here. It look like Nasdaq broke all-time highs today. Yeah. We wicked it. If anything, all-time highs are right here. Yeah, we broke it, but it's starting to retrace now. So let's see what price is gonna do. I don't know. Let me mark up. I'm gonna go ahead and clear these charts. Then we gonna start over. We'll go ahead and mark up previous days high and low. Got that marked up. So I don't know what to expect from the markets. No expectations. We just showing up every day, like we do. It's Tuesday. See if we can catch a setup. Don't have a directional bias. I'm gonna just take what the market give me. See what my system. See if the market is aligned with my system and my approach. And if it is, then we'll take a trade. But if not, then we'll just be in here, sit and duck, and we'll get off the charts and won't make no money, won't lose no money. It's always a dub if you don't lose no money. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these charts marked up, and I'll be back at y'all when the market open. All right, y'all, we got these charts marked up. We don't have too many zones. We got this 1 hour supply zone, 5 minute supply zone. I'm down to take the sales. We got these 5 minute demand zones, but we'll have to wait until we get back above here. And if price doesn't get back above there, then I would want price to break this 5 minute supply zone. I mean, close above, showing me that it wants to go up. I'll sell into these demand zones, but I do expect price to react off of these demand zones some sort of way. So we'll see. We got 30 seconds till the market open. See what the market's got in store for today. No cap. Let's see what this. Look at this 1 minute candlestick. Okay, market open. 2, 1. Here we go. Oh shit! I'm like, bro, what the hell? Yeah, this is a crazy open. I mean, hey, I'm here for it. Y'all, market is shooting down. I'ma just wait though. I ain't gonna lie. Hopefully we get some type of reaction off this 5 minute zone. I like it, but I'm gonna need it to. I'm gonna need a big retracement. I'm not gonna lie. I don't mind these price doing this. Hope it close below these two zones though, y'all, so I can just go ahead and get rid of them. Y'all, one more candlestick, y'all. All right, y'all. We finally getting some movement, seeing if we might tap into this zone. Let's see. I'm liking that we're not closing below this zone, so I feel good if we got 5 minutes until news come out too, y'all. So let's see if price want to take out this kind of high, move higher. I do want to break. We touching up on VWAP, y'all. So let's see how price reacts to this. We got 40 seconds to news come out. Let's see what we do. Looking for VWAP though. We still got this 1 hour and this 5 minute supply zone that price need to tap into though. Before that we just tapped into at 9. We low key kind of invalidated my 5 minute demand zone, so it ain't look like no news kind of. If we close below VWAP though, y'all, I'm feeling good about this trade. I'm feeling real good. No cap. I love this movement that we starting to get, y'all. We break this low, y'all, I'm getting in shorts. Yeah, we back above previous days high. I mean, we kind of made a market structure shift, y'all, so I'm down with taking longs. My bias is not long anyways. We keep getting the same price action we've been getting. Especially if we close, if we invalidate this 5 minute zone, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this 1 hour supply. Well, I'm gonna move it to the left. And I'm not really looking at it, bro. It would have been great longs down here at this 5 minute demand zone, but that would have been against our rules because we're in downtrend anyway. It's not. I don't trade against the trend anyways, but now we going back into uptrend. So I would love for I want this 5 minute candle to hold this structure just okay. I would like to better close, but hey, it's a zone nonetheless. I'm gonna draw it up, mark it out. Shit, price go either. It's gonna validate one of these zones. All right, y'all. I'm in longs. Finna place my stop. below the zone. Stop below the zone. Entries at 26,876. Let's see if we can get a W today. But if we lose this trade, y'all, I'm really not gonna be looking for another trade. I'm not gonna lie. I don't feel like we took, bro. I'm talking about took almost an hour, 15 minutes just to even get in this trade. So I'ma just, you know, walk away with whatever the results is of this trade, and I'm gonna go ahead and go on with my day, y'all. But let's, you know, hope for the best. We are, you know, in a 1 hour supply zone and a 5 minute supply zone. They never, but at the end of the day, we tapped into a 5 minute demand zone. Got our entry signal. Price has been bullish. We made a market structure shift. So hey, you know, longs are in my favor, aligned with my strategy. So that's all I'm gonna do is wait for it. We might get a loss. I don't know. Let's see. The only way we take another trade is for shorts, and price is pushing down out these zones. But I don't know. That didn't look good. I'm gonna get stopped out. Ah, shit. Minus 455. Fuck. Damn. Well, that's one L for the day. Let's see how this candle close. I'll get in shorts. It's crazy though, y'all, cause we still respecting this 5 minute demand zone. So that'll be crazy to see. And we made a market structure shift. I mean, we had a market structure. Hey, we had a market structure shift right here too, with this high being broken and closed above. But you know, price might want to just keep pushing down, y'all. I'm cool with that too, man. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna just take the L for today. Smaller L. I'm gonna just walk away. I don't really care to trade with these market conditions. Market don't let you know where I want to go, so I'm gonna just go ahead and call it a day. Take my L and walk away. We got 30 minutes until my trading time is over. Hey, bro, whatever happened. I mean, we are in this 5 minute demand zone. It's still valid. It's still, but it's like we in the supply zone that's rejecting it too. So rejected the 5 minute supply zone too. So I don't know, y'all. I'd rather not. Be caught up in this and get caught up in this chop city. So what's up, y'all? I just wanted to get in here, and I'm editing this video. As I'm editing this video, last night I looked and it was like, I said I'm gonna get off the charts real quick. I said I'm done for the day, and it's like I was still in between my times. You know, I set an amount of time for me to trade. I have an hour and a half set throughout the day for me to trade, and you never know when that winning setup might present itself. If I was to stay on the charts until my time was up to trade, I would have got a winning setup. I would have had a winning setup present itself. I would have took a winning trade. This was after my time, but even this trade after my time, this trade right here that was a winning setup too, came after my trading time, but it was a winning setup. This trade right here was literally presented itself right after I got off the charts. 10 minutes after I got off the chart, I got off the charts with this at 9:30 with this candlestick closed right here. 10 minutes later, the winning trade setup presents itself, and I would have walked away with a W, walked away with a green day, but instead I decided to get off the charts just because I was tired of looking at it. I didn't know what price was going, and just to be quite frank, this first trade shouldn't have been taken anyways. If I'm just being completely transparent with y'all, we were in a 1 hour zone and a 5 minute supply zone that the 5 minute supply zone never got invalidated. Never got invalidated, y'all. Never got invalidated. So why am I taking this trade? Just because I was eager to get in the trade. I thought price was going up instead of just reacting to my system and letting my system take the thinking out of it. we're in a 1 hour supply. It would have been better than just not trading at all or missing my trade. So I still had 30 minutes to go. Price could have went up and broke these highs in 30 minutes. I mean, broke this and validated these zones in 30 minutes if I was gonna take a sell. I mean, if I was gonna take buy. I seen the first demand zone and I just took it once, but we're in a supply zone. We're in 2 supply zones, which make it even worse, even stronger for it to want to push down. Never invalidated this 5-minute supply zone. Never invalidated this 1 hour supply zone. If I just stick to my system, stick to my rules, I win a trade. But instead, I come on here and try to force a trade, just being eager to get the day over with. Me being eager to get the day over with, I take a loss. Me being eager to get the day over with, I lose a trade. I mean, I miss out on I didn't lose a trade. I did lose a trade, but I also miss out on a winning opportunity. So if you eager to get off the church, just don't get on the church at all, or just wait till your time is up. You never know. At the end of the day, I have a set of time. My trading time is not from 8:30 to 9:30. It's from 8:30 to 10 o'clock. If I stay on the chart throughout my time, if I stay out, trading is just about being present. Being present, being there when your opportunity presents itself. And if you're not there and you're not there to catch the opportunity, you miss out. If you're not available to catch the opportunity, you miss out. And that's exactly what happened today on Tuesday, April 21st. And, I can look back and learn from this, just documenting this journey, just keeping it raw and real with y'all. And, this is a learning experience. Still, I'm still learning throughout this trading, throughout my trading journey. It's forever learning game, but I got, rules and parameters. You never know when your opportunity comes at the end of the day. And if you're not there to take it, you lose out, you miss out. So I honestly took an unnecessary red day, and it could have been a green day. But that's all I have for this. That's all I wanted to come in here and say, y'all. Just be present. Trading is about present and being there in a moment. So always make sure you're there. And yeah, we get back into this video. Yeah, I'm gonna just walk away from this and just come back tomorrow. I might not even trade tomorrow because we are going on vacation. My mom coming down to Thailand to see me. I'm finally get to see my mama. She's coming down, so I'm excited for that. I'm going to Bangkok, so I don't know if I'll catch a trade. I should be available, but I might not just trade. I might just go spend the afternoon with my mom. But if I do, y'all will know. Keeping y'all updated with every trade I take on these accounts. So that's it. I'm gonna get this video posted for y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm out.